Welcome back, everybody. My name is Jennifer Anderson, and I leave for China in about 24 hours. In fact, it is the middle of the night right now. I don't even know what time it is. Let me check. So it's almost 12:30, so it's 12:24. You can see that it is 2:24 in the afternoon in Beijing, so that's exciting. But I figured, hey, I'm running out of time to pack, and I need to become accustomed to the time change anyways, so why not pack with you guys and just pretend that I'm not tired at all. Nope, I'm not tired. I'm not gonna be tired for the next 12 days. So quick backstory if you are new to my channel. My name is Jennifer Anderson. Hi, I'm a VIPKid teacher. VIPKid is an amazing company that I've been lucky enough to work with for a little more than 2 years now, and it allows me to teach English to Chinese students from the comforts of my home. So already pretty awesome. So VIPKid, the company, had a competition for teachers, and the top 10 lucky winners won a trip to China. And I cannot believe still that I am one of the top 10 lucky winners. I won the position of top community contributor, so that means VIPKid teachers voted for me, and I cannot thank you guys enough. If you have followed my journey, if you are here on YouTube and you voted for me, thank you. I don't even know how to put it into words. And I promise, I will not let you guys down. I will do my very best to record my journey. That way I can be posting it here on YouTube. That way you guys can feel like you're there with me. Speaking of which, if you don't follow my Instagram account, I will post a little something right here for you, because I guarantee that is where I'm going to be posting my videos and photos first of my trip. It'll probably take me a little while to get videos edited and posted back up onto YouTube, so definitely follow my Instagram account because I will be posting all of the fun pictures there. So now that you guys have kind of seen that I've been folding shirts and pants, the necessities that you need for any trip, let's talk about the good stuff, the good things that I'm packing. Let's talk about those things that I'm bringing to Beijing that I probably wouldn't bring to anywhere else if I were traveling in the US. What is in my suitcase? Take a look at these, you guys. Aren't these cute? A teacher sent them to me. I will post her link down below if you want to hold up little question marks while you're teaching your student. Also, this shirt. Thank you, Nicole, for sending this to me. I feel like a true VIPKid teacher, and I am definitely wearing it to Beijing. Again, I will post links to the shirt, links to the question mark, all down below in the description box for you guys. So first things first, I need my passport. And let me tell you, trying to get a passport and a Chinese visa with less than 6 weeks, I do not recommend doing that because it was a little bit stressful and it cost a little bit extra than what I would prefer to pay for a passport and a visa. But anyways, passport. Dun 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 dun. I'm officially a passport owner. I have the most atrocious photo of myself in the passport. That's just what ID photos look like. So passport, got my visa. If you would like to see a video on how to get a passport or how to get a Chinese visa because you're thinking about going yourself, let me know in the comment section down below and I will consider making a video for you guys. Passport, got this. I've already exchanged some of my money so that I am ready to go. I do plan on using an ATM while I'm there. It wasn't too bad to have the exchange happen. With my bank, I have Wells Fargo, but I figure it's probably beneficial to have some money on hand. But look how cool that is. Look how cool that is. It is so beautiful. Why can't our money be beautiful? Oh, I just love it. I just love it. So shiny and beautiful. And you know what? My husband can't stop me from buying all the things. So I'm going to buy all the things. And this, speaking of my husband, he bought me the sweetest gift for Christmas. It is the Lonely Planet Beijing book. I've only been able to take a glance at this because I've been so busy. While I'm in China, I'm going to be seeing the Great Wall, the Summer Palace, and the Forbidden City. They have that in this book. And I'm going to read up on it so that I can give you guys facts if you're ever going to the Great Wall or the other places. Okay, can't forget this. This is for the airplane. Last month, I received an email saying that I made it into the referral club with VIPKid. I'm one of the top 15 VIPKid referrers, but they sent me this cute little dino blanket for Christmas, and it is so soft. So I figured this will keep me warm on the plane. It'll work as a nice pillow, and hopefully I'm able to get some sleep on the plane because I am not sleeping right now. But don't worry, I was able to figure out how to plan my seats on the plane, and I chose a window seat, which is nice because I'm hoping that I can just prop up my blanket up against the window and take a nap, and hopefully I don't sit next to anybody smelly. I'll let you know if I do sit by somebody smelly. Okay, what else? Ugh. Now, in the email that I got from VIPKid, they told me to bring my own toilet paper because you don't have public toilet paper, I guess. So when I go to public places, I need to bring my own toilet paper. So I told my husband that I'm going to be squatting over a hole that I'm most likely going to be squatting over a hole, and I need to have my own toilet paper. So I told him to go to the store and get me some stuff. And he's so cute, you guys. He bought me flushable wipes in case I need those. He bought me some tissues to stick in my back pocket. We have some Clorox wipes because, you know, we need to clean things off. A Lysol on the go. It just made me laugh. It's a little overkill, but you know, being sanitary is important, especially when being in a different country, so who knows. Hopefully I don't need all of this, but it's always good to be prepared. Now this is my power adapter because China outlets are different than they are in America. So I will post a link to this one that I bought. It was just from Amazon and it was a little more pricey. I could have gotten a cheaper one, but I figured, you know what? I'm going to travel the world. I officially have a passport, so nothing is stopping me. I'm going to be plugging all of my electronics into this, and then over on this side, that's where the cord comes in handy. And I chose to go with one with a longer cord. That way I can prop it up on the desk by my bed. And then it came with all of these different ends. I'll be completely honest, I'm not quite sure where all of these go to if I were to travel to different places, but that one looks like that one's here in America. I believe this is the one for China, but lots of different choices to choose from, so I love that. And then I just stick it on and stick it into the wall, and then I can have power. Oh, next up, I am scared to death to drink the water because I hear that you can't drink it straight from the tap. So I will probably be buying water bottles. Supposedly they're like 30 cents and they're all over the place. So I'll just be buying water bottles. But I did decide to buy these energy electrolyte lemonade drink mixes. So I'll post this here so you can see that. They do have a lot more caffeine in them than I'm used to. I love me my Diet Dr. Pepper every now and then, but this has, okay, I found it. So it has 120 milligrams of caffeine per serving, which is a lot more than what I'm used to, but you know what, I'm probably going to need it because we have a lot planned. So I'm going to be able to stick these into my water bottles, give me the boost of energy that I need. That way I can be perky and happy and enjoy my trip in China. I'm also going to be taking some medicine with me in case I have a headache or if you know, the food doesn't sit right with me. I'm also gonna bring some stuff for that. I feel like I'm super TMI with you with the flushable wipes and if I have diarrhea. But you know, I feel like that's important to think about because I don't expect it to be just hamburgers and french fries, so. Sorry, my camera died there for just a second. Note to self, charge all the batteries before going to China. I've been wanting one of these little tripods for so long, and I finally got one. So I will be linking this below if you want to look at it. So far it's pretty sturdy. It does hold my DSLR camera, so if I do bring my camera along, it will fit on this. Otherwise, I do plan on using an attachment for my, sorry, I'm so far away, for my cell phone. That way I can just put my cell phone in here, record myself that way. Use this either as a selfie stick or a tripod, so that's really good news. And I will bring my GoPro, and it should. And now I can film everything, or I can film myself, and I'm really excited. And then last but not least, the stuff I'm bringing for my students. we were able to invite 5 students that we teach with VIPKid. They were contacted, and I am really hoping that they show up. So because of that, VIPKid encouraged us to bring gifts, not only for our students, but we are going to have a great, grand teacher-student meetup, and I am sure that there will be other students there that will be expecting gifts, and hopefully I'll get gifts. I don't know. But I have gifts for them. I also have a few gifts for employees, so let me just show you what I got. Okay, I know this is heavy and we need more space. Hold on. This big box is all full of Valentine's Day candy because my love language is food. So that is what I'm bringing for everybody in China. Whatever, it's candy. Everybody loves candies. So it's a win-win. But I did buy some Airheads, a bunch of Airheads. And then for my cute little students, I bought them just those little heart chocolate Valentines. For the other students that appear, or if I just want to give things out, I have Rice Krispie treats, those heart candy canes. I don't know what you would call these, but a bunch of these. That way I can just say, here you go, I love you, thank you for everything you've done for me. And if I get any gifts, I can give them a gift. So Kit Kats, mini Kit Kats, Mentos, sour gummy worms. It's going to be great. I'm excited. I'm excited. It's gonna be a lot of fun. I can't wait to go. And because my camera died and then I filmed something else, I'm gonna make all of this stuff disappear, and then everything that I put on the floor is going to reappear. 1, 2, 3. Those seem to be the big things that I have right now. I guess another thing is, this is my fake wedding ring. My mom has a history of losing wedding rings every time she leaves the country, but because of that, I am scared to death to actually leave the country with my real wedding ring. Now we have this lovely ring sitting on my finger, thanks to Walmart, but you know what? Better safe than sorry. And with that, yeah, I feel like it's pretty brief. I am a little stressed, but I'm excited and things are going to go well. At headquarters, one of the employees reached out to me asking if I wanted to film a couple of extra videos. If I have time and if I'm not too tired, I really hope that I get to do that. If anything, I just want to show you guys all of the merchandise that VIPKid has over there. You can kind of see, oh, let me move. I kind of have a collection going of dinos. I can turn my camera for you. Oh, maybe I can't. Oh, look, here's a VIPKid lanyard. I've got cute little dinos right here. I love dino, you guys. So I hope you do too. And I'm just going to be filming everything that I can. But this is all for now because I really do need to go and try to sleep because my kids are going to be waking up soon. But until next time, probably the next time you hear from me, I'll be back from China. You guys are awesome. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye, you guys. Mwah.